Hi guys, today I will tell you how to audio effect, sound effect use easily in your video. It's too easy, my dear. Just install Echo app and then you can record from here, you can replay, you can listen from here, you can stop from here, start from here, stop here, and save from here. Understand this arrow from here, save, and you can setting from here, click here and then look to setting, then go to setting, and then there are 3 seconds, click here, and this is different setting button, record button. How to record, tap to record, or just click or press and then recording. I think it will be more helpful for you. You can easily save it. Just click here, you